Another really popular balloon design goes over huge with the little boys is the balloon sword. Now you have to be careful with these guys because it's the quickest way to lose control of any party or any event. Arm the little kids, you could be done for, but they love this stuff. You could still be their best friend. We're going to start out by blowing up a balloon almost all the way. Just leave a little bit of room on the end. We're going to make a handle. Now, it's easy to use your own hand as a measuring guide there. Just make it the size of something that you would be able to hold if you were holding a sword and make a twist. Now, we're going to do a fold twist, another fold twist, and one more fold twist. I like to use the 3-fold twist because it really stabilizes the sword. And it'll sit up there real good. And now the little guys are ready for swashbuckling. Zoo!